Welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. Today we're making blueberry jam crumble muffins. These are so good. You have to try them. First, we're going to make some blueberry jam. You just fill this up. This was 7 of the small containers of blueberries, and you fill it almost to the top with agave. All you have to do is cook it slowly for 1 to 3 hours and it'll thicken up. You could also put some agar-agar in it if you don't have enough time to let it thicken up by itself, and then it'll thicken when it cools down. So to make the muffins, first we're going to make the bottom part and then we're going to make the crumble after. We're going to start with a 1/2 cup of rye flour and 2½ cups spelt flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and a cup date sugar. Just mix that all together, and then we're going to put our wet ingredients in a different bowl. 1 cup coconut milk. This is the really thick coconut milk that I always use. The link is in the description. And 1 cup grapeseed oil. Get it all out of there. And 1 teaspoon vanilla. And then you're going to gradually mix in a little at a time. And this is just sped up. Alright, so here's the wet and dry ingredients combined. You're going to put your muffin papers here. I usually use unbleached ones, but I ran out. And you're going to fill these about halfway. And this is thicker than normal muffin batter. Usually muffin batter is a little bit thinner than this. This is a little bit more like cookie dough. So you just put a little bit in the bottom like so, and then you're going to spoon the jam, 1 spoonful in each one. Very simple, but these turned out so much better than just putting blueberries in. The jam took it to the next level, because the jam caramelized around the outsides. Plus the crumble was the next level. Now you're going to add the tops. Just use up the rest of your dough, filling them evenly, little by little, so that you have an equal amount for each one. Then we're going to make our crumble and add it to the top. Looks good already though. What do you think? What are your favorite kind of muffins? Let me know in the comments. We have a few different kinds on this channel. We also have a cupcake recipe if you haven't seen that. And thank you so much for all the new subscribers. I appreciate your comments. Everyone has been so positive. And I will be going live again to do another Q&A and answer your questions, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit the bell icon after subscribing so that you get notified when I go live. Alright, there you have it. As you can see, we just dabbed a little bit of the jam on top as well. So the crumble is a 1/4 cup date sugar, a 1/4 cup spelt flour, and then you're going to drizzle about a 1/4 of a cup, or an 1/8 of a cup, but that was too much. So you just want to drizzle little by little, and I would stop right there, but we added a little too much. So if you do add too much, just sprinkle some more spelt flour until you get the desired consistency. And you want these to be very crumbly. You don't want them to be giant nuggets. There you go, that's a lot better. No problem. Very simple. just about a tablespoon at a time until we got it to the right level of crumbleness. Then you're going to crumble these on top of the jam. And that jam on top kind of hardened like a candied coating. And the crumble was so soft and flaky like a shortbread. Very good. And then you want to clean up all those sprinkles so they don't burn all over the place. Those ones that are in the middle. Just sweep them into the muffins. And pop them in the oven at 350. Alright, bake these for about 40 minutes until they start turning golden brown. Keep an eye on them after 30 so that they don't burn. Oh yes, these turned out perfectly. These are my new favorite muffins. We also have an excellent banana nut muffin recipe. They're equal to these. They both are pretty darn good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you tried these out? Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you for watching these to the end. I'm going to try them out on camera. And I do have a free Facebook group. And I've been posting on YouTube every single day these days. There you see my, was that raspberry leaf tea? Looks like I'm having a little tea time there with a Trader Joe's coconut smoothie. And here they are. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you want to take your life to the next level, your health up several levels, there's a link in the description. You can reach out to me. I have a transformation program, a 12-week life transformation program. Let me know if you're interested. Peace.